Bitcoin breaking below this key level of support here is something we never wanted to see on the price chart, because currently below this price we have a lot of lower prices to look into, which is really bad for Bitcoin in the short term. In a moment I will talk about this next level that we should watch out for and why I think we are heading here, and also the Bitcoin ETF still having outflow, massive outflow from its holding, which is currently fueling the downtrend of BTC price right here, and as well as this liquidation heat map here on Bitcoin, taking this major level of liquidity here on the 1 month time frame. Still moving because I have a lot more to talk about. For if we also take a look at ETH right now, we are pressing heavily against this level of support, which I think we might break down below within the next 2 to 3 days. And also Solana seen having this bearish movement here, breaking below major level of support, and XRP is beginning to look scary in the short term. So I will talk about this and more in the video. Make sure you watch to the end. Welcome to Crypto Trend Update. My name is Trend. Before taking a look at Bitcoin and the crypto chart today, let's take a look at some Bitcoin news. Here's today, February 4th, 2026. We had massive outflow from the Bitcoin ETF, totaling $544 million. BlackRock alone had the most outflow, totaling $373 million. I think this is one of the reasons why we dumped so heavily yesterday from this level of support here. Let me remove my drawings. From this level of support here to this level here that we are currently at now, I think the Bitcoin ETF is one of the reasons why we dump so massively. And as long as we are seeing outflow from the ETF, Bitcoin will continue to dump. So if I bring us back to the BTC on the weekly time frame, you can see that in the past 1 day, nothing has really changed. We are still here playing out this bearish divergence that has been active for a couple of months now. And with this massive bearish divergence in play, we are just seeing a little bit of chopping to the upside and then breaking below level of support to the downside. I think this is still bearish for the short term unless we see a little bit of reversal or a little bit of invalidation from this price chart here. And now if we zoom out to the lower time frame, looking at the daily price chart on BTC, you can see that yesterday we broke below this key level here, this key level of support here, sitting at the 77 to 74k level, and this is really bad for BTC right now, because below here we are going to see much more lower prices, like this level here. Like we might begin to see this level here sitting at the 54k to 49k, which is going to bring more fears to the Bitcoin market. But currently we are trying to hold above this key level here, the 70k to 68k. I've been talking about this this price action here for a couple of days now. On the daily RSI, we are still below this oversold region, and I think we might reset this price action very soon by just having a little bit of shopping to the upside or a little bit of slight move. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying we're going to see massive movement to the upside. No, the sentiment is still very much bearish. There's no confirmation of reversal yet. So but what I'm saying is, since we are seeing this oversold here on the daily time frame, we might get a little bit of relief to the upside. Because if you take a look here, back here when we had this level here, we had a little bit of relief. And also if you zoom out a little bit, shaking here, we also had a little bit of relief before dropping to the downside. But here currently now we haven't done that. I'm not saying history will repeat, but sometimes it always plays out. So that is that for the price of BTC. And if we hold this level here currently that we are texting, this 70k to 68k level, the next level that is going to act as a little bit of resistance is this level that we currently broke below, from the 74k to 77k. Is going to act as a little bit of resistance. And also we also have a little bit of resistance here sitting at the 84k level. So currently these are the levels we need to watch on the BTC price chart. Now taking a look at ETH on the daily time frame, here you can see we are still holding firmly above this key level here, the $2,200 level to $2,000 level, after breaking below this current level here, the 2,400 level. And now if ETH failed to hold above this current level here, we're going to see much more lower prices, which is not also still good for the Ethereum price chart, because the next level to watch out for is sitting at the 1556 level to 1432 level, which was the lowest level here on early April 2025. So currently now, ETH need to hold firmly above this level in order to see much more lower prices. And also, if we can hold here firmly and had a little bit of relief, because currently we are still seeing the RSI below the oversold region, which is kind of bullish for the short term. I'm not saying we're going to get a massive moment to the upside, no, but with this here, we might begin to see a little bit of chopping or a little bit of slight move to the upside in order to reset this RSI here. So this is what I'm expecting from ETH. Like yesterday, I said we might not see a dump on the market, but I was wrong. And we are still seeing much more lower prices on the market right now. But currently, ETH is trying to hold firmly above this level here. And I think maybe we might hold this level here, because currently this RSI being below this oversold region on the daily time frame is something that we should look into, because if you take a look at the past price action here, this level here, we had this oversold level here, and we saw a little bit of relief to the upside. And also, if you take a look at here as well, we also saw a little bit of relief to the upside. So these are the price that we should look at for on the ETH price chart. Now, shifting your focus to the Solana price chart on the daily time frame. I don't want this video to be too long. We are still seeing this massive bearish movement here from Solana, which is not looking good on the Solana price chart. Yesterday, Solana broke below the $90 level, which was the lowest we have had since 2024. And I think Solana right now is heading towards this key level of support here, sitting at $84 level to $78 level, which I'm currently looking at. And if we also fail to hold below this level, we have much more lower prices to look into. Currently, the market is not looking so well. But what I'm also looking at is this RSI here being below the oversold region, which has some way be a kind of a signal that we need to see a bounce really soon. So I'm not saying we are going to pump to the upside. We're going to pump to the upside. We're just going to shop a little bit to the upside in order to set this RSI here. And also, if we fail to hold above this key level here, and most importantly, we also fail to get back into it after breaking the level, we're going to see much more lower prices, like the $53 to $54 level, which is kind of really bad for Solana right now. And also, if I shift your focus to XRP, since I don't want this video to be too long, here on the XRP price chart on the weekly time frame, we are still repeating history here, like what I said in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it. We are still playing out this history here, and also here, because we had the RSI printing the bearish divergence here, and we have a massive drawdown. So currently, this is what we're having, and it's also playing out here. Now, XRP is still struggling to hold above this key level here, the $1.41 to $1.31. And if we fail to hold above this level here, it's gonna be real bad for XRP, because we have much more lower price, like the $1 to 19 cents, which is currently still going to act as a little bit of support here. And also, if we fail to hold above this level here, we're going to see much more lower prices on XRP, sitting at the 54-cent level to 38-cent level. So these are the levels that we should keep watch for on the XRP. But currently on the weekly time frame, we are a little bit closer to the oversold region. We should also watch this signal as well. And if we take a look at the daily time frame on XRP, you will see that we are in a massive downtrend right now. Here you can see that we are in a massive downtrend, which has not shown a sign of reversal yet. So we should watch out for this price action. And also, we are also below this key level of oversold here on the daily RSI, which I'm also looking at to get at least a little bit of relief or a slight bounce to the upside in order to reset this RSI here. So this is all I have to say about the crypto market today. No much has really changed. We are just breaking below key levels of support, and as well getting much more outflow from the Bitcoin ETF, and also taking this level of liquidity here. So I hope you really enjoyed the video, and If you do, please subscribe to the channel and also smash up the like button so that when I make videos like this, you will definitely be notified.